Hello, hi. In this first video, we will see how can we create a POS pre-order from the point of sale screen and how we will process it over there. Okay, so over here from the list of products, you can select multiple products. This one is a product mix rose, which is of a bouquet specific. Okay, product that we need to configure in the back end. Along with this, we can also add multiple other products also, but the product on which we need to do some operations like create the product. Okay, selecting that, and then we can need to enter some instructions. Something like this. Okay, and add that note, and you can see the note is added over here. Now we can also enter delivery date to watch what date that customer is going to come to take this product, so it will add the delivery date also over here for this specific product. Okay, for products other than this, will be assumed that they are being given to the customer right now. Okay, so after this we need to select any payment method. Okay, we can select any of them and then process the payment. Now over here the normal payment flow is finished. Okay, now let's go into the back end and see what happens over there. Okay, in the point of sale menu, in the pre-orders sub menu, you will be seeing the list of all pre-orders that are created. Okay, among them this one is pre-order that was created just now by the order that we placed right now. Remember, if we select the customer over here, then that customer will be visible over here, will be selected over here. Okay, but if that we don't have any record for that customer in our system, and it's okay, we can skip selecting the customer from the POS, and it won't also be coming over here. Now over here, the guys who are at the back end, which are going to create this bouquet, what they need to do is they need to first click over here. First need to edit it. Okay, click over here and add the products based on the notes that they have got. Okay, something they just match it or whatever. Okay, something like this can be done. They will add these products and they will save it. Once those products are added, we can start the pre-order. Okay, by clicking on confirm. That means that this pre-order was confirmed, and now we can start on its inner operations. If you have multiple products, okay, if you have multiple bouquets, we can start on them one by one by just pressing these buttons. Okay, pressing on start will warn you that are you sure you have added all the BM products? Yes, we have just added that, so that we can press OK. Okay, on clicking start, you will see that this manufacturing order is created, but its status is production started yet. Okay, so that the production has been started. Delivery order is created, but its status is just draft. Okay, and the bill of material is also created. The bill of material will be custom for this product. Okay, and we'll have the items that are defined over here inside this line. Now once that order the bouquet gets completed, okay, we can press done. On pressing done, now the bouquet is being completed, means we have created the bouquet. Still one thing is left, and that is the delivery. Okay, still the delivery date, see over here we can see, is 14th of November. Okay, so it's still it's time. uh, so now over here at this stage, if we need a report, okay, a receipt, a POS style receipt, we can give an option over here as a print button, okay, which can print that receipt, or something over here in the line. If you have multiple bouquets, we don't want to print all the bouquets receipts at once, we can give them option of small button or small print icon, clicking on which it will print the receipt. Now let's say the clients arrived over here and the client is demanding the bouquet. At that time, what you need to do is go into this delivery order, okay, over here, open this delivery order, where you will see the product mix rows. You can just complete its flow, because now this we are actually delivering this product to the customer, so we can just finish this flow and the whole flow of POS pre-order will be completed. As soon as this is transferred, now if I switch back to the pre-order, okay, its states also gets done. The state of this specific order is ended, okay, because there is no task left over here. Now we can check over here which was the MRP order, which was the BOM that was created, which was the delivery order, okay, and over here the POS pre-order functionality is created and it's finished.